Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're talking about the Dreame L50 Ultra robot vacuum and mop. And honestly, after digging deep into the specs and real-world testing data, I get why this thing is taking the robot vacuum world by storm in 2025. So let's break it down together. Is this product really worth buying? Let's find out. First, let's talk suction power, because this is where things get wild. The Dreame L50 Ultra comes loaded with 19,500 pascals of Vormax suction. To put that into perspective, that's not just strong, that's class-leading strong. In independent lab testing by Vacuum Wars, this machine scored a perfect 100% on pet hair pickup, something only a handful of robots have ever achieved. The average for other robots? Just 81%. That gap is massive. On deep carpet cleaning with sand and medium pile carpet, it earned a 90% score, placing it in the all-time top 5. And on fine dust on hard floors, complete one-pass pickup. So what do those numbers actually mean in real-world use? It means you stop re-vacuuming the same spots. It means your floors are actually clean, not just visually clean. Now here's something you don't see on every robot vacuum: the Pro Leap system. This gives the L50 Ultra retractable legs that can climb over obstacles up to 2.36 inches tall. That's about 6 centimeters, and vertical steps up to 1.65 inches. Door thresholds, pet gate lips, uneven floor transitions. This robot just handles them. The shock-absorbing system behind this is rated for 30,000 cleaning cycles. That's serious long-term engineering. And what about hair tangling? The #1 frustration for pet owners? Dreame solved it with the HyperStream Detangling Duo Brush. It handles hair strands up to 11.8 inches long without wrapping and clogging. You've probably had robots that turn into a hair wound mess every week. This one actively fights that problem at the brush level. Why is this such a popular choice? Because it doesn't just vacuum, it mops too, and it does both intelligently at the same time. The twin spinning mop pads lift up to 10.5 millimeters when carpet is detected, so you can vacuum and mop your whole mixed floor home in a single run. No more 2 separate sessions. The robot even has 32 levels of water volume adjustment and a dirty water color sensor. If the water looks too murky after mopping, it re-washes and rim mops automatically. That's next level smart. And the base station? It's basically a full cleaning hub. The Ace Clean dryboard system washes those mop pads with 167-degree Fahrenheit hot water through 20 spray nozzles, then dries them with hot air. The self-emptying dustbin bag holds 3.2 liters. Dreame says that's up to 100 days of debris before you need to change it. Auto refill on water, dirty water sensor, HEPA-style filter down to 0.3 microns with a TV Rhineland Allergy Care certification. This thing has thought of everything. The 6,400 milliamp-hour battery, larger than the standard 5,200 class, powers over 3.5 hours of runtime and charges 30% faster than previous Dreame models. The robot itself weighs just about 9.8 pounds, measures roughly 13.7 by 13.9 by 3.8 inches, and connect to the Dreame Home app where you get room-by-room control, custom no-go zones, scheduled cleaning, pet finding mode with live video, two-way voice chat, and even a special mode for kids' nap areas. It identifies and avoids over 180 types of obstacles using RGB cameras and 3D structured light. With built-in LED illumination for low-light rooms. Price-wise, the Dreame L50 Ultra retails at around $1,399 to $1,599 and regularly drops during sales. For a machine that earns a 4.7 out of 5 rating and has been crowned the #1 robot vacuum of 2025 by Vacuum Wars, the value case is very real, especially when you add up all the manual cleaning time it replaces. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.